If you want to search Google instantly right from your home screen by Google search bar, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to get the Google search bar on your Android home screen like this. First tap and hold on mobile screen, and a new menu will appear like this. Then press here on Widgets. Scroll down and you will find Google widgets of different types. Tap on the selected one, then drag it where you want to place on your screen. Further, to edit this bar, go back. Then tap and hold on it. Drag it like this. Then press on this pencil icon. Adjust its transparency. Select any theme according to your mood. Add a third shortcut if you want to. From here, you can customize everything you like. That's it for today's video. If this helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.